Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to dry elderflower for use in teas all year round. Elder is a remarkably versatile plant with flowers that can be picked from the end of May through to the end of July and berries that can be picked from the end of August through to the end of September. You can tell the elder as they have clusters of 5 leaves, and the leaves are oval, which come to a point at the end and have a mildly serrated edge. The flowers have 5 white petals and small yellow stamen, and they grow in flat panicles or clusters mounted upon pale green and yellow stems. Harvest the clusters just where the stem forks and lay the clusters out evenly on the trays of your dehydrator. You can do this without a dehydrator by simply tying the stems together and hanging upside down. I've also decided to make some tea from the edible rose petals and violets harvested from my back garden. The rose petals and violets are slightly simpler as they don't require any further processing, so you just need to pick those out and put them into an airtight jar for storing them long term. With the elderflower, it's important to try and remove as much of the stem as possible. So here I'm removing the flower heads into the bowl and discarding the stems. Only the flowers and berries of the elder are edible. An odd bit of stem here and there isn't a problem though, so don't worry about it if a few make their way in. As with most things in the dehydrator, the flowers will reduce in size and darken slightly in colour. Simply discard the stems. Stored in an airtight jar in a cool, dark place, both of these dried floral teas will store quite happily for up to 12 months. Add 3 teaspoons of dried elderflower per mug of tea. You will need to use a tea strainer with any of these floral teas so that you don't end up with petals floating in the final beverage. I'm using a Jing-tier here. Pour over boiling water and leave to brew for 3 minutes before serving. Elder is a slightly stronger floral taste and works very well with honey and lemon. And in its medicinal uses, elderflower is believed to be calming and also acts as a mild diuretic. As a result of this, you might only want to drink 1 or 2 cups per day. The elderflower is also believed to help with coughs and colds and lowering of fever during attacks of the flu, and it is also believed to help with chesty coughs, catarrh and allergies such as hay fever. It also helps with sweating and urine production and is believed to help with the removal of waste products in such conditions as arthritis. Elderflower has a very distinct, beautiful aroma. The dried flowers can also be used to create elderflower cordial, champagne, lemonade, cake, syrups and various other things such as sorbets and ice creams. For more foraging and environmental projects, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss a single video.